back to the next move with Valetax. My name is Innocent Ryan Ifere, global market analyst and trading content specialist here at Valetax. With the current back and forth in conflict negotiations happening between the Iran and US, we've seen the market move rapidly and slowly at the same time. With a lot of uncertainties on the charts, one moment the markets are moving, the next moment the market is choppy. But with all this regardless, we still have to look at the market and view outlooks for the week. This week, we're going to be sharing an outlook on the XAUUSD, which has been a major focus throughout this year. The XAUUSD in the month of May tapped into the monthly support level, which was the 4,380-360, which had previously acted as a resistance from last year and also support at the start of this year. With prices tapping into the key level of the 4,380-360, we saw a rapid incline of the bulls back into the previous intraday resistance level at the 4,560, 4,580 levels. With prices quietly sweeping those levels but failing to break above them or stay above them at the close of the week, we saw prices sweep the liquidity and stay below those levels. With the XAUUSD currently failing to close above those previous intraday levels, there are only two options for the XAUUSD. For prices to either close above those levels and hold steady at the start of this week to show bullish momentum and continuation for the buy sides for the XAUUSD, or if prices continues to sell and closes below the 4,500 levels, then we might see the continuation of the sells for the XAUUSD, bearing in mind that the previous key level at the 4,380 has been tested before as a support twice. If prices break below those levels, then we might finally start to see the 3,500, 3,800 hallmark for the XAUUSD. But breaking above those levels would send the XAUUSD remaining bullish. Now, all of these things together are just technicals. And remember, the market doesn't just move based on the chart, but based off the context and realities happening outside the chart, which are geopolitical conflicts, macroeconomics, and other fundamentals. Speaking about that, here are the fundamentals and macroeconomic updates that you should be paying attention for coming this week. The USD in key focus for this week. We have the PMIs this week, the service and the manufacturing, with the service PMI coming up on Monday for the USD. On Wednesday for the manufacturing PMI, and do not forget it's NFP week. It's the first Friday of the new month of June. So we have the NFP on Friday and the unemployment rate as well. So pay attention to this news and trade carefully and smart during these periods. The summary for this week's trade idea is a continuation of the bullish momentum for the XAUUSD if we break above the 4,600 levels comfortably, and a continuation of the sell side if we stay below the 4,500 levels. Remember, this is not a trading signal, but only a trading idea with no guarantee for success. So always do your own research and apply risk management where necessary. And until next time, I'll see you on the next move with Valetax. Trade smart and trade safe.